Good evening, everyone. My name is Bose John. I want to share with you the Skyway opportunity. That is the opportunity to make money by investing in the pre-IPO shares of Skyway, a company which is about to go public. A company that is into transportation, a company that has a transport technology that has a lot of benefits to the extent that it has been estimated by independent experts to be worth 400 billion, the technology itself. Now, in the future, this technology has the potential to occupy 50% of global transportation industry, and shareholders will earn a dividend corresponding to the amount of assets that they have in this company. Over time, I've bought shares with this company. I currently have 139,225 shares in my name, and I have 900 extra shares in registration. After registration, they will be added to my added to my 139,225 shares, and I'll have over 140,000 shares in this company. Aside from buying shares and getting dividends, you can equally tell people. And if you tell people about this company and they see the opportunity and they buy shares with the company will give you 15% of whatever they buy. Those people you told, if they tell other people and those people buy shares, the company will give you 5% of whatever they are spending. And there are many different investment packages. Anybody can come and look at the investment package and decide, okay, this is what I can afford, and they invest. Whatever they invest, you get 15%. Let me just show you how profitable that can be by showing you the profits that I made yesterday. You can see date. This is all these are from 18th of September, which is today. Today is 18th of September, Friday the 18th of September. So I just want to show you from the start of today. So this is from yesterday, 17th. So I don't even want to talk about yesterday's earnings. Let me talk about today. I started today having $9.75. $1 in Skyway is 485 naira using the Nigerian exchange rate. Now let us begin. This person, Ameniyu Isa, is in my structure. You can see the bonus is profit from structure from Ameniyu Isa, $2.5 on the 18th, around 11:21 a.m. So what happened? Somebody who I introduced directly introduced Ameniyu Isa. So while Ameniyu Isa was buying shares, he was paying instrumentally, and I think he had a lot of dollar in his back office to buy the shares. So he was probably paying $50 installments, and I was earning 5% because he's not directly under me, so I wasn't earning 15%. But whenever he paid, my 5% of $2.5 gets credited to my back office. I had 11 at 11:21. His first payment moved me from $9.75 to $12.25. He made another payment as at the same 11:21. He made another payment. I earned my $2.5, moved to $14.75. He made another payment at 11:51. I earned $2.5, moved to $17.25. He made another payment at 11:54. I earned again $2.5 and I moved to $19.75. He made another payment 11:54. That's 11:54 a.m. close to afternoon. I earned again, moved to $22.25. That's how I continued paying. I continued earning. He continued paying. I continued earning. The same 18th. You can see the date. You can see the time. He continued paying. I continued earning, paying, earning, and then eventually Ameniyu paid. From the time he started, he ended payment by 11:57, and I had earned a total of $37.25 from my starting sum of, at the beginning of the day, my starting sum was $9.75 as at close of 17th. So between 11, when did he start making payment? Between 11:21 to 11:57 he had paid, and all his payments, that's it, 11:57, all his payments had moved me to $37.25. Let's see how much that is in naira. 37.25 times 485. So I earned at least 18,000 naira at the early hours of today. That is at the early hours of today. Now, at this point, I was contacted by someone. Let me see if I can pull up that message. I was contacted by someone who wanted to buy dollar to fund our downlines account because he wanted to buy shares. Let's see, this was yes, this lady sent in money and told me she just transferred money for $50 for her downline. She wanted me to fund his account for him to buy shares. Now, there are ways you fund your account in Skyway. I usually buy Bitcoin to fund my account directly, so from there I can transfer to people who are in my structure who want to buy shares, or I can buy from people who already have. Now, I can also use my earnings. As at this point, my earnings were $37, and I had to now buy $13 from my friend Lezo today at 12:19 to complete this as $50 so that I can send it to that man who wanted to buy shares of $50 or pay an installment of $50. So after buying $13 from Lezo, I sent the $13 along with the $37 I had. You can see transfer from clients. Lezo transferred $13 to me, and then I now transferred that $13 along with the $37 to Ifeanyi Jude Uwokiafo at 12:36, and I was left with a balance of $0.25. I sent both the $37 I had earned and the $13 I bought, making $50, to Ifeanyi Jude. So the amount of money that came to me as my own money from this transaction was around 18,000 naira. Now, after I sent it to Ifeanyi bought shares, and I profited from his payment, and I got my $2.5. So I now moved again to $2.75. So even after selling to him and he now bought shares, I still got my 5%. And mind you, his own direct upline gets her 15%. That's this lady now who contacted me that her downline wants to buy dollar. Got from his payments, she got 15%. Now after that, again, my $2.75, someone else, this same lady, needed another payment, or rather she made another deposit for additional money to be sent or credited to her, and as a result I needed to fund her with $50. But since I already earned $2.7 something from the payment of her downline, I didn't have to buy everything. I didn't have to buy $50 from someone else to send to her. So I just bought $48 to get a sum of $50, which I sent, or which I will send to the person that she wants to credit. So even while I am planning to make that transaction, I've not made that transaction yet. As at today again, by 19:00, that is 5 o'clock, I earned $30 from somebody who is under someone. This is my own 5%. This Nimatula Ukashat, I don't even know this person, is someone who has been introduced by someone that I introduced to Skyway, and she has seen the opportunity by looking at the videos that I have uploaded, by watching the trend of the technology. She has invested. I don't even know how much she invested, but my own 5% inside her investment is $30. So I can imagine if my own cut is $30, the person that is her direct upline is earning 15% of that. My own 5% was $30. That person's 15% is probably around 60 to 90. No, that person's 15% is around 90 to $95, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I have now gotten $32.75. So today, even after earning about 18 point something thousand, 18,700 and something naira from my earlier transaction, I earned another $30. So now the 18,000 I already had. Okay, so I have 18,000. Let's say plus, okay, plus, I earned another $30 times 485. That is the total money I made today alone, 18th, you can see the date, is 32,616 naira from Skyway. I did not even earn direct commissions of 15%. This is not the 15% that comes directly to you for the people you brought. This is just 5% from people who I don't even know, who were brought by people who I told about Skyway directly. And guess what? It earned me 30,000 naira. Sorry, not even 30, 32,000 naira, 32,600 naira today in my house. This is what people go and slave for months working. Okay, Empower beneficiaries, how much are they paid? 30,000 naira, and they earn it in a month. And you will see 500,000 youths applied, 700,000 youth. The site will even crash because of the unemployment in this country, because people are looking for opportunities to better their life. 30,000 naira in a month is enough money. Some people will break through walls. Some people will even be willing to do whatever it takes to get a job that will pay them 30,000 naira. And the economy is even getting bad and worse by the day. Fuel has gone up. Many things are adding price. In fact, life is becoming more difficult. But I sat at home and I made it in a day. I even made more than the people's salary in a day from Skyway. Let it not look as if I'm lying to you. It's my name that is there, John Bose. My main account has $48. My bonus account has $32. I own 139,000 shares already, and I have paid for another 900 shares, which is being registered in my name. Let me just show you. See, this Skyway, let me just tell you, first and foremost, I have not been promoting Skyway. I kept quiet about Skyway because I was promoting another business called Jama Life. But I want to just show you, when I heard about Skyway, I took it as an investment, because Skyway can be done as an investment or as a business. So I took Skyway as an investment, and I just decided, okay, I will just be buying shares. And look at, since the time I heard about Skyway, I've invested up to $1,950. Let's see how much that translates to in naira. 1,950 times 485, 945,750. That is how much I have invested personally. It doesn't mean I invested it once. I invested it gradually over a period of time. However, when I started telling people about Skyway, I wasn't even telling them seriously. I was just telling them like something that, okay, look at what I'm doing. And then when they started coming in little by little, I started earning on the basis of commissions from referrals, people who buy shares, and I earned about $204 back. Let me show you. In 1 month, in fact, in the last 7 days, I earned $105. That's to tell you something. If my total referral reward is $204 and I earned in the last 7 days $105, what does that tell you? It tells you that I only started talking about Skyway recently. It means that all this referral reward you are seeing here, all this $204 you are seeing here, I did not earn it over time. I earned $105 in the last 7 days. If I tell you in the last 1 month is when I earned all of this $204 you are seeing here. $204 is how much? $204 times 485. That's 98,940 naira. Do you know that if I continue telling people about Skyway, I will earn back every single money I spent investing in Skyway? I will earn it back as commissions from referrals very easily, because I'm a network marketer. I use my mouth to make money. I talk and people listen. I share opportunities and people key in. Sometimes they see the opportunity, they don't key in, it's their own loss. I will still make my money whether they key in or not. But what I'm trying to open your eyes to see here is that, ladies and gentlemen, there's an opportunity now that is, this Skyway is just passing people by. It's passing people by. People don't know what they are missing. People are telling me I should come and join this business, that business, this business, that business, sell this product, that product. Here is a business you do not even use money to register and you make money out of it. You don't even need to invest before you make money. I invested personally to just own their shares because I believe in the vision of this company. I want to own a part of the dividends of this company so that when they begin to make massive profit from the transport sector, I will be getting my dividends and I can use that to live a comfortable life and be financially free. So I just invested in Skyway as a personal thing. I did not invest in Skyway because I want to tell people. But then when the business I was doing, where I was doing networking, when it started having issues, and I decided to share Skyway opportunity, just a little. In 1 month, $204, and that is 98,940 naira. That is some people don't make that in a month. Some people don't make that in 3 months. Empower beneficiaries will not make it in 3 months. 3 months, you will earn 90,000. You won't earn 98,000. And I only started talking about Skyway in this is September 18th. Maybe ending of August was when I started talking about Skyway. And look at the result. Look at the result. For the last month, referral accruals. Look at it. Look at the result. The statistics are there. I did not join Skyway. See, my own investment in Skyway, my own investment. The last 7 days, I used $50 to secure the 900 shares that you see are currently in registration. In the last 12 months, I spent $1,300, and throughout the period I've known of Skyway, which is March 2019 till now, I've spent $1,950 buying shares for myself. I didn't want to tell anybody. I've bought 125 shares since March. Nobody knew. I've been buying this thing personally because I love the business and I want to have a share in it. But I did not do it as something I want to announce. I was just doing it as a personal thing. Up until recently, when I decided to share the opportunity to other people who, like me, are craving for a source of financial freedom. You can come in here as an investor and just buy shares, earn your money in dividends when the company goes into IPO, and you continue earning. Or you can come in as a networker and tell people, and you still earn from the network marketing side. You can decide that you don't even want to invest. You also want to do it as a network marketing thing, earn your commissions and cash out your commissions, and you are okay. Or you can come in and say you don't even want to do the network marketing dimension at all. You just want to focus on the investment, buy your shares, earn your dividends, case closed. You don't talk to anybody about the opportunity. Here is an opportunity suitable to investors and network marketers. This is an opportunity you will never ever see again. If Skyway passes you, if they get to IPO and you don't get on board, my brother, hey, Jesus, you will not like it. You will not like it because a company, Tesla, that does half of what Skyway is doing. Look at what their current value in the share market is. Let me share it with you very quickly. Tesla is currently pulling serious figures in the share market, $439.48 per share. If Skyway enters in the share market and begins to pull $439.48, what will somebody like me that has 140,000 shares, what will my 140,000 shares become? 140,000 shares times 430, let's go back to that figure, times $439.48. Okay, times 439.48. That is 61,527,200 US dollar. Let us now change it to naira. 29,840,692,000 naira. Something I used $1,950 to secure will be worth millions in dollars tomorrow, billions in naira, and you tell me I should sit down on the money. What will I be doing with the money? I should keep the money in my bank account where inflation will kill it, or I should keep the money in one osusu where I don't even know if I'm even getting enough value for the money I'm putting. Look, I don't know how I will explain this thing to you. Go and buy Skyway shares. Go and buy Skyway shares. Go and market. If you are a network marketer and you are not marketing something like Skyway, you are wasting your time. You are selling the products that probably I don't even know. What could you do that will be better than this? What could you do that will be better than this? I don't know. I don't know how to drill this thing into you. Skyway is busting in fact, I don't see. Okay, there's so much to know about this technology, this amazing opportunity called Skyway, which I cannot cover in a I'm trying to be professional in my approach. I'm trying to tell you in a very composed manner, but it's not coming out composed because the way I feel right now is like I just want to get you to open your eyes and see it, and I don't think I can do it by speaking English. So just buy Skyway share.